Imagine a bowl of aromatic, warm, and comforting Vietnamese pho. The delicately spiced clear broth glistening under the light, thin slices of tender beef floating on the surface, a heap of silky rice noodles submerged beneath, and a vibrant garnish of fresh herbs crowning the top. Each spoonful is a harmonious blend of flavors, the richness of the broth, the chewiness of the noodles, the tenderness of the beef, and the freshness of the herbs. Welcome to the world of Vietnamese cooking, where today we're going to recreate this classic pho. Begin by gathering the ingredients for the broth. You'll need 2 pounds of beef bones, 1 onion, a piece of fresh ginger, 5-star anise, 3 cloves, a cinnamon stick, and salt to taste. The secret to a clear aromatic broth is the parboiling of the bones. So start by boiling the bones for 5 minutes, then drain and rinse them. Now char the onion and ginger over an open flame until they're blackened. This step imparts a smoky flavor to the broth. Next, toast the star anise, cloves, and cinnamon stick in a dry pan until fragrant. Combine the cleaned bones, charred onion and ginger, toasted spices, and salt in a large pot. Add enough water to cover the ingredients and bring the mixture to a boil. Then, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 6 hours. Remember, the longer it simmers, the richer the flavor. While the broth simmers, prepare the other components of the pho. You'll need half a pound of thin rice noodles, half a pound of raw, thinly sliced beef, and a variety of fresh herbs such as cilantro, mint, and basil. Boil the rice noodles until they're tender but still chewy. Then arrange them in serving bowls. Top the noodles with the raw beef slices. The heat of the broth will cook the beef to perfection. When the broth is ready, strain it to remove the solids. Pour the hot broth over the noodles and beef in each bowl. The beef should cook instantly in the hot broth, turning from red to a beautiful brown. Finally, garnish the pho with the fresh herbs. If you like a little kick, add some slices of fresh chili pepper. To summarize, the key to a perfect Vietnamese pho lies in its broth. Parboil the beef bones, char the onion and ginger, toast the spices, and simmer everything for a long time to create a rich, aromatic broth. The rest is simple. Boil the noodles, arrange them in a bowl with raw beef, pour the hot broth over, and garnish with fresh herbs. So there you have it, a bowl of authentic Vietnamese pho, warm, comforting, and full of complex flavors. Enjoy this culinary journey to Vietnam from the comfort of your kitchen.